Hi guys, I'm Shahzad and welcome in lecture number 63. Today's we are going to break our code into multiple parts. Code, that means HTML code, because we have discussed that we have a problem. If you are loading this view again and again, then definitely you have to update this file. But for now, I'm going to create a directory named header, another directory footer, and another directory name content. Here in the header directory, as you can see in your template, you have the header where you upload where you load your CSS files and some other SEO stuff, and you have a navigation bar, you have these sections, and you have a home view. Now you have a footer. Now I'm saying load project. Here I'm saying header. In the header we have a header file, and here I'm saying in the header we have a, let's suppose we have navigation bar, and here this is the home content, and also I'm saying home. Here I'm saying this is the footer, and we have a footer file. So we have to create these files in this these files we have created. And also we have to create the home file in the content sections, and we have to create the footer file in the footer folder. Fine. Now open your this one code, and now copy the entire sections from the header. So here this is the header, and paste your sections in the header. Fine. Now you have a body and you have a navigation bar. So this is your body, navigations bar, and this is the main body. So in the navigation bar paste this, and now your main close here and your footer starts here. So you have to cut this one, go to the footer, add this one here. Now you have the code. So I'm saying cut this code, go to the content, paste this code here. So you have break your code into multiple parts. Now refresh the page. It's not showing you the first project. Return home. Okay, fine. So it's loading the header. Navbar, home, footer, and footer.php. So you have a header, footer, you have a header, navbar, and this is the home, and this is the footer. Wait for a few seconds. This is the main, navbar, header, if you open, no, not this one, if you open content, project 1 content, working. Both are the same thing. I'm just testing that why it's not working. Okay, fine, it's now working fine. I don't know why the return section is not working. So in this way, now let's suppose you have the register, copy this one, paste this one here. You have to create a register function, file in the content. So this is the register, and now if you have remembered that we have created a registration form. So here is the register form, register, copy this one, copy this one and paste this one here. So go to the page, register, because we have to load also the view here, helper form. That's why it's giving you the error. So now as you can see, it's showing you the field like this. If you click on the registration, if you go to the 4.x example and go to the jumbo, where is the jumbo? I think we are using this one. Click on the registration. Okay, it's a single page, so you have to create the registration form. So this is the registration. Now if you click on this one, you have a container, copy this code and paste this code here. Now, so this is the row. Now I'm saying this is the row and this is the column. Call MD12. So now here we have to use some margin or padding. Let's suppose for now I'm saying BR. Okay, now as you can see, it's showing you it's not showing you the Bootstrap 4 form. Now go to the Bootstrap, some older version. We are using the 4.x. Here I'm saying form. Here as you can see, we have several forms here. I'm going to use the built-in form, which is this one. Copy this bad boy and now paste this here. So now as you can see, this is the form, and we are using a form multiple part. Replace this one and we are closing our form here, replace this one here, and now go to the page, refresh the page. So this is the some pretty stuff, or some pretty let's suppose input type equals to text or text fields. So now cut this one. I'm saying this is the email and password. We are using the username, phone and surname. So now you have a class ID and this one, this step. So how can you define? So I'm saying this is the class and this is the ID and now we are saying that we have this one. Remove this one. Now copy this one and paste this one here. I'm saying fine. Here we are not using the checkbox. Fine. And this is a submit button. We have a submit button like this. So this is the submit button, and here we have an extra field. We have to define the associative array. Let's suppose class and some other stuff like ID or something else here, and we are saying register or submit. Remove this one. Now you have to use the and also the surname. You have this one, so you have to define form. Let's suppose just copy. Fine. Now remove all these things. Go to the page, refresh the page. You have to remove this one. Fine. And you have and this is the footer sections. Make sure this is the footer section. That's why it's showing you the footer. So go to the footer. It's saying copyright 2020. I am saying Shikzi.com. Fine. If you click on the button, as you can see, it's sending you from your method to your another method. So now in this case we are saying that this is the new member. Copy this one, and now we are using this method here. So for the registrations we are saying that this is the controller and this is the method. So once again, fresh. If you click on this one, it's now showing you the mode. Okay, fine, because you are using the mode sections here, so you have to specify the mode also here. So refresh. Fine. So as you can see, it's giving you the error in the bottom. So you have to copy this one and you have to paste this here. Sorry, we also have a div. Now copy this one, copy this one, form group, add this form group there. So now refresh the page, it will showing you on the top. So in this way you can embed the Bootstrap file, and now if you need some other pages, you definitely can create as many as functions. Let's suppose I'm saying show students. Now copy this one, paste this one here, and create a single view in a project 1, content, right click, PHP, it's a file. Now copy the entire code, paste the entire code here, and now we are saying that your student goes here. Let's suppose now I'm saying student, your student goes there. Now we have 3 fields. Now if you open this one, sorry, if you open if you open the navigation bar, here you have to define the home. So this is the navigation bar, home. Now I am saying site URL, and I'm saying this is the home. And also we have this function, so copy this one, paste this one. In the first project we have a student, I'm saying show students, and we also have a navigation. I'm going to remove this one, and I'm going to create another bar. I'm saying register. Register. It will register. So go to the page, refresh the page, click on the home, it's working fine. Click on the show students, fine, register. Okay, site URL, give me a second. Why? Because it's not fine. Now it's fine, and it's not fine. That's why it was not working. So show student, register, or this it's showing you the invalid file.php. So let me check. Yes, fine. It's now working fine. So now you are at the student page. So you have to fetch the information, and you have to show that informations here. Let's suppose this is a show informations. Now I need to, I'm saying std table, I'm saying new mode std. I have to, I'm saying, if you are using the where class, you can also use the where class. I'm direct finding the data. So now I'm saying these are the data, or this is the data. I'm saying students, and I have to pass this data in the second parameter here. Now you are passing the data here, so you have to receive the data in the show student section. So show student sections. Now I'm saying var dump. Now this is the variable, that's why go to the page, refresh the page, it's now working fine. So you need a table where you want to show this information. So go to the Bootstrap, find the tables. So this is the table we are going to use. Okay, fine, copy this one, go to the sections, sorry, copy this one, paste this one here. Now you have this table, so like 1 2 3 4 5 6, first name, last name, email, and password. Okay, these are the two tables, so you have to remove first one, sorry. So this is the table. Now you have to remove this one and this one. Let's suppose I'm saying if the data is exist, then please show me, I'm saying if data exists, and I know that we are using the array as a return type, so that's why I always know that we always receive the data in the array format. Now I'm saying if we have the data greater than 0, that means we are getting the data. So please show the tables. So please show the table. Now I'm saying else your error goes here, or indef. Let's suppose you have to use the colon here. I'm saying welcome to, the data is not exist. If the data is exist, then this is the for each, and I'm saying for each close here. For each close here. Now I'm saying my student or as std or my std. So copy this one, and this is the row, and that means you are going to use the id here. Let's suppose I'm saying std id, and copy this one, paste this one here, copy this one, paste this one here. You have a copy this one, paste this one here. Now as you know, you have go to the columns, you have a name, so you have to use the name here. Student id name goes here, and also the phone number goes here, and also the student surname goes here. Sorry. S, make sure it's a surname, SUR, it's not SIR. I have created, it was my mistake, but for now fine. Now go to the page, refresh the page. As you can see, it's now showing you the data. Okay, now remove the var dump. So you have a data, as you can see, your students. So you have a data like this. Once again, what happens if you have thousands of records? Now, as you know, we have created the paginations like this. So in this way, here you have to create the paginations like this, and 3 pages per page or 3 data per page. So now you are pass this here, and now go to the page, refresh the page. As you can see, it's now working fine. So you have to define this one here, and if the data is exist, then definitely you have the links. And now I'm saying echo pager links. Go to the page, refresh the page. So now as you can see, these are the links. Second page, third page, fourth page, and also the 5th page. Okay, fine. So in this way, you can break your HTML code into multiple parts. You can create the multiple views for your multiple pages, because this is the one page, this is the second page, this is the third page. Now, as you know, we have used the image here. You can also use the image here to show the user. Now I'm saying, let's suppose if I say that please show me the 100 records per page. So definitely it will show you the 100 records per page. So page is 1, so entries are 14. So now let's suppose if you are saying show me the data in the descending format. So now I'm saying order by std id desc semicolon price. It's fine. You can also use the first name, last name, and also the other name. I'm saying this is the id, name, phone, surname, fresh. So it's fine. So in this way you can create the table, or you can show your data in a table. So I think you are enjoying our series. If you think we are doing good, feel free to share our courses and also the videos. And don't forget to click on the subscribe button. Keep enjoying our courses, keep watching our courses, and keep learning. So thank you for watching.